Hey, what's up, guys? This is Teacher with a Kid back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about writing equations in slope-intercept form. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it because I want to make this video as short as possible. So, right here, I have the question, writing equation of the line that passes through 1, 2, and 3, negative 2. Looking at the fact that we have two given points, we know that we can find the slope. All right? So, find the slope m. So, to go ahead and get started, we're going to say m is equal to negative 2 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1. And from here, we need to simplify. So once we simplify, we're going to get negative 4 divided by 2, which is going to give us negative 2. All right? So now that we've found the slope, in order to find the y-intercept, we must replace m with its computed value and xy with 1, 2 in the slope-intercept form. And then we have to solve for b. So let's see how that looks. We have y is equal to mx plus b. All right, so to go ahead and fill in the information, we know that m is equal to negative 2. So we're just going to go ahead and just write it. But we still are missing our y-intercept, which is b. So in order to find that, we're going to have to use the point 1, 2 to fill in the information to find b. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. Y, in this case, is equal to 2. All right, and then in x, in this case, is equal to 1. I was having difficulties with my pen. And then we're going to put plus b. So here we're going to multiply. So we're going to give us 2 is equal to negative 2. 2 times 1, 2 times negative 1, plus b. All right. So we're going to add 2 to both sides of the equation. And here the 2's cancel out. That's a zero pair. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, which leaves us the y-intercept, which is b, is equal to 4. And from that step, that means that the equation is y equals negative 2x plus 4. This is your final answer. This is how you write an equation of the line that passes through two given points. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you guys have a great day.